In today's video, I'll show you how to make text bigger in Notion to improve readability and highlight important points. Highlight the Notion workspace and navigating to the page where you want to adjust text. Highlight the text you'd like to enlarge and you'll see a pop-up menu with formatting options. Here, look for the text option. Instead of regular text, you can choose from different heading sizes. Heading 1 is the largest, heading 2 is slightly smaller, and heading 3 is the smallest of the three. Select the heading size that works best for your content. If you want to change it again, just highlight the text and pick a different heading. This is a simple way to structure your notes, make key points stand out, and give your workspace a cleaner look. And that's it. You've now learned how to make text bigger in Notion using headings. It's a quick way to boost readability and keep your pages organized. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.